Good morning, everybody. Speaking after Pradeep becomes very difficult, He puts almost all the best things happening in the rural India in a nutshell. There are few issues that challenges distribution in India, and precisely not so good issues what Pradeep talked about. And let me put the context right. Yes, rural India is changing very fast. There's a lot of assimilation of urban culture in different localized forms in rural India. Technology is reaching rural India in a big way. Communication is becoming easier. And I wonder why we don't use it in our rural marketing strategies. 3, if you look at the prosperity in the rural India, I being an academician have my own doubts about the way we propagate prosperity. There is a asymmetry in terms of 2 things. One, if you look at the larger business environment in terms of technology, in terms of education, in terms of some kind of awareness, and also the possibility for technology to create this awareness and reach rural market is amazing. But what constrains that? And I think, let me start with a little bit of economics of this country, primarily to put the focus in the right direction. 1, let me look at MSP. I'm not countering you again, Pradeep. I'm just saying that this is important for us to understand the landscape of agriculture in this country. At a forum some 4 years back, Omkar Goswami and Rama Bijapurkar, it was CIA Rural Marketing Meet, was speaking. I was one of the speakers. I got a very interesting insight for the first time into understanding the domain of rural change. They said, rural is no more agri. Now, what does it mean? It means that non-agricultural rural economy is growing much faster than the agrarian economy. And hence, all those who say that rural is not going to change, or agri is not going to change, or rural in aggregate is not going to change, are wrong, because we have a vibrant rural economy. And I think data, if you look at census data, if you look at ORG mark data, it clearly indicates that the non-rural economy is to the tune of 55% of the rural economy. Or now it must be around 60-65, and largely it is entrepreneurial, service sector and government jobs, and a major chunk of this economy is education sector, the primary education sector. And this is where, so I got very intrigued. I went back to data. I looked at India Market Demographic Report by the National Council of Applied Economic Research, and to my astonishment, the data currently says that this rural has 80% of the market share in the rural market. Now that made me a little, sad, because if you have 63% of people employed not in rural but in agri, the share of agriculture coming down from 15 to 14, what are we talking about? Agri is in distress. Agri is in distress. Most villages that you reach are not this Tier 2, Tier 3 and reachable block development offices, but rural. And I think I agree with Pradeep that everything reaches there by the pull factor. But there is a larger domain of rural demand. It is to be seen as an aggregate of rural and agri. Large population in this country do not afford enough incomes to buy. And this is why spurious products are amazingly high, because that substitutes their aspirations.